In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a task in Clickup. Clickup is a fantastic tool designed to streamline your workflow and increase productivity, and knowing how to efficiently manage your tasks is key to getting the most out of it. Let's dive right in. The first step is to locate the task you want to close. Open your Clickup workspace and navigate through your lists, folders, or spaces to find the specific task. This organizational structure is incredibly flexible, whether you're working on a small project or an extensive operation, and locating your task can usually be done in a couple of quick clicks. Once you have your task in view, it's time to access its status. Next, you'll want to click on the status indicator within the task details. This is typically represented by a colored circle or icon that gives you a quick insight into your task's current stage. When you're inside the task details, you'll notice this status indicator usually somewhere at the top of the page. Click on it to access your status options. Now comes the part where you update the task status. You will see a drop-down menu. Simply choose the appropriate status, either closed or complete. These options indicate that the task is finished and don't require any more of your attention. If your Clickup workspace is configured with a simple two-status system, this process is even faster. Often, there will be a checkmark icon available that instantly marks the task as closed, especially when you're in the list view. After you've updated the task status, you might notice a visual confirmation. This could be in the form of a green checkmark appearing or the task disappearing from your active view based on your specific settings. Such visual cues are really helpful as they provide immediate confirmation that your task has successfully been closed. Don't forget the additional options you have when managing tasks in Clickup. For instance, if you want to revisit a closed task later on, Clickup features handy filtering options that let you show or hide closed tasks according to your needs. Furthermore, customizing your status settings can make your workflow even more tailored to your preferences. You can create your own statuses that suit your team's unique processes, adding that extra layer of personalized efficiency. And if there comes a time when you wish to remove a task from your workspace entirely, consider archiving instead of merely closing it. Archiving tasks provides a tidier workspace without permanently deleting important historical data that could be useful down the line. With these steps and tips, managing tasks in Clickup should be both uncomplicated and effective, helping you stay organized and productive. Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope these insights make your Clickup experience even better.